So now from here, we're going to get into our transactions. And I'm going to start with our sales orders. So what I will do here is I am just going to navigate over to the sales order screen like you would in Business Central. And here I can see a list of all of the sales orders that I currently have in the system. We can see there's a lot of B2C orders in here for Gonzalo, for myself. We have some B2B orders in here for trade research, you know, just like you would see in general out of the box Business Central. One thing that we've noticed is that if you do not have integrations into e-commerce portals where automatics or orders are automatically flowing in, or you have EDI, whatever that may be, we found that it can be tedious entering orders in. So what we've done is we've introduced some automated capabilities around order entry on the purchase side and on the sales side. We're going to look at that on the sales order side here. What we've done is we've introduced the export Excel template. Here we have the ability to have the system actually create a template for us to fill out and then upload back into the system. So a lot of the times, this is something we see for like line orders, or these can be for catalogs. So we can select our document type. Is it a sales order or a blanket sales order? We can select specific items. So if it's for one item, or we can even select collections, right? So these can be our catalogs of different types of items, and then the locations that these are for. What this will do is it will create an Excel template that we can then export, we can then fill out, and then import back into the system utilizing our sales order upload feature here. So this is something that's very popular, something that helps automate the process of actually creating these different sales orders. One of my favorite features, though, that we've introduced is the transaction matrix. So I'm going to go ahead and create a sales order here. I'm going to put in our trade research customer, just like it does in out of the box Business Central. It is going to pull in all the default information associated with that particular customer. You will notice here that we've added in some fields around season delivery group, requested date, cancel dates. We have our automated release feature here. I'll be getting that here in just a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in our Volt 0200 product master. So just like it always would in Business Central, it's going to pull in the item, the description. We have a default location associated with this particular customer, which is why that was brought in. From here, I could go ahead and I could start selecting variants, right? Maybe I have 10 variants that I need to add to this order with specific quantities. That can be fairly time consuming. So what we've done is we've added the select variant quantities feature. And now what this has done is it's built out an actual matrix for me showing our different colors and then our different sizes as well. From here, all I have to do is put in the quantities that I'd like to purchase. So we want 10 of the large and black. We want 15 of the medium and gray. We want 20 of the small and red. We want 15 gray large, extra large, and then we want 20 of the extra small in black. Once I'm done, I click OK. And we'll see here now that those variants have been added for that particular item. We have our colors, we have our sizes, and we have our quantities created just like that, right? So it saves you a ton of time rather than having to go line by line, select your variant, put in the quantities, put in the locations. All of that can just be done and automated utilizing our transaction matrix here.